When you search for the best fire extinguisher for electrical fires, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kid Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. First up is the Kid Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. This is a solid choice priced at $44.68, and what really caught my eye is its reliability. It's a bestseller for a reason. If you want dependable fire protection for your home or office, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This extinguisher is designed to combat a variety of common fires, including those involving wood, paper, and even electrical equipment. With a lightweight aluminum construction and a compact size, it's easy to handle and store. The easy pull safety pin and a pressure indicator let you know at a glance if it's ready for action. Plus, with over 29,200 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, you can trust you're making a safe choice. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it's a bit small for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, this actually makes it easier to store and quick to grab in an emergency. If you have a small home or office, this is actually a great feature. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, compact extinguisher for household fires. Skip this one if you're looking for something for a large workshop or commercial space. For the price, it delivers solid value for everyday safety. Now, if the kid size concerns you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AMS Boom Fire Extinguisher 2-Pack. Next, we have the AMS Boom Fire Extinguisher 2-Pack, priced at just $13.49. I was surprised by how affordable this is given its versatility. If you want a great deal without compromising safety, this is definitely worth a look. It's compact enough to fit in your car or kitchen without taking up too much space. And the water-based solution means it's non-toxic and leaves no residue, making cleanup a breeze. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users mention that its smaller size may not be sufficient for larger fires. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to store, this is a smart trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're seeking an affordable, portable option for your home or vehicle. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty solution for large fires. Honestly, you can't beat the value for 2 extinguishers at this price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a larger capacity. Product number 3, August Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. Now let's talk about the August Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. Priced at $48.59, you get a pack of 4, which is pretty impressive. If you want multiple units for your home, office, or vehicle, this is a fantastic deal. This extinguisher effectively handles kitchen grease, electrical fires, and other common household emergencies. Plus, it leaves no messy residue, which is great if you're worried about cleaning up afterwards. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its practicality and ease of use. Some users did mention that the small size might not be ideal for significant fires. Here's the thing, if you're using it for common household issues, it delivers exactly what you need without being bulky. This is perfect for you if you want a set of extinguishers that are easy to store and accessible in emergencies. Skip this one if you're looking for something for larger scale fires. For the price and the quantity, it's a great investment for peace of mind. Now, if you want something a bit more heavy-duty, the next product is a great option. Product number 4, Kid Fa 110G Fire Extinguisher. The Kid Fa 110G Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher comes in at $26.47, and it's another strong contender. This unit has a great reputation, making it an easy choice if you're feeling uncertain about fire safety. This extinguisher is designed to handle common fires, including those involving electrical equipment. Its compact size makes it easy to stow away, yet it still packs a punch with a 12-year service-free design. With a 4.7-star rating and over 29,200 reviews, it's clearly a trusted choice. However, some reviews highlighted issues with the pressure gauge being hard to read. Here's the thing, it's still a reliable extinguisher, and as long as you do regular checks, it's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable solution for home fire safety. Skip this one if you need something rechargeable after use. For the price point, it provides great value for your safety needs. Now, if you're looking for something more heavy-duty for larger spaces, the last product on our list has you covered. Product number 5, First Alert Home to Pro Fire Extinguisher. Finally, we have the First Alert Home to Pro Fire Extinguisher, priced at $54.98. This one stands out with a solid 4.8-star rating, and it's ideal if you really want peace of mind for larger fires. This extinguisher is UL rated and designed to battle wood, paper, and electrical fires, making it perfect for both home and commercial use. The heavy-duty construction and rechargeable feature mean that you can rely on it time and time again. The color-coded pressure gauge makes it easy to know when it's ready to go, and with over 6,200 reviews, it's clear that people trust this brand. Some users pointed out the higher price tag as a downside. Here's the thing though, when it comes to safety, spending a bit more for quality is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty, rechargeable extinguisher for your home or office. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. Honestly, the investment is justified considering the reliability it offers. So to sum it up, we've looked at 5 great options for fire extinguishers specially designed for electrical fires. The Kid Multi-Purpose and FA 110G are fantastic for home use, while the AMS Boom and August provide compact, portable solutions. And if you're after something heavy-duty, the First Alert Home to Pro is a top-tier pick. Whatever your needs, there's something here to help keep you and your loved ones safe.